If you're in need of a formal analysis tool that can find runtime errors in your C, C++, and Rust code, I might have the tool for you. So let's take a look at starting a new project with the TrustInSoft Code Analyzer together. Today I'll be showing you a new project on the tinycrypt library. tinycrypt is an open-source, small-size cryptographic library developed by Intel. Preparing a project is easy. You just need a compilation database. You set the target architecture in the tool chain. The target architecture determines the target info, meaning Indianness, length of int, and the tool chain determines the preprocessor. After you've waited for the parameter files to parse, you can create your project. We currently have an empty project, so let's create a new analysis. You can select an existing driver. Here we have a unit test. Now you may be thinking, I don't have unit tests and I don't want to write unit tests for a testing tool. Don't worry, we'll get to that in a bit. Let's go ahead and pick CMAC mode in main and create the analysis. After running it, we only see one alarm, but we also only see 36% statement coverage. Let's go ahead and investigate real quick. The potential issue we found is a signed overflow. And when we inspect, we can see that the values before shifting by 24 is 40, 43, and 171. When this value is 171, we run into a signed integer overflow due to how the C standard handles shifting. But if you want to avoid writing unit tests and see the full range of what can happen and reach some code that isn't reached with unit tests, we can go ahead and generate a driver. Let's create an analysis directly from your source code function. We're going to find the tccmax setup function and change the key size to be 16 and set all fields to any value. Now it automatically figures out which files need to be used, and we're able to create that analysis. Now let's run this. And now we see that we've got 4 alarms with 95% statement coverage. So let's investigate and see what's different. So as we can see, the first alarm is the same. But if we inspect that expression, it can actually be full range, which in the case of an unsigned char is 0 to 255. And now we see the full range that could cause this signed overflow, 128 to 255. So not only do we not have to write unit tests, we're also getting more range information. And since values are full range, we're able to reach more code, and we see that the code that was unreachable before also has undefined behavior. And if you're wondering, this is what a more complete analysis list of tinycrypt looks like, along with the alarms. If you want to learn more about the capabilities of the TrustInSoft Code Analyzer, visit our website, trustinsoft.com, or watch some more of our YouTube videos. Hope to see you again soon.